Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on boards for you on email notification settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click notifications. Now click by email. Here you will find boards for you. Just click on it like this and this will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on boards for you on email notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.